Modi government has strived India to make the digital payment in digital India for the fast growth of industrialization after the demonetization, which was started on 8th November 2016. Less cash or cashless payments are made through different modes like check and demand draft, which are the traditional modes. Net banking, through net banking everyone can use online transaction. Before demonetization, no one is very familiar with net banking or online payment. In bank, you know that NEFT or RTGS, net banking can be used. Debit card, credit card, gift card, traveler cards, there are so many cards. These are also called smart cards or plastic cards, under which there is a small chip is present in which user can use his information to store the data. E-wallet is a modern form under which payment can come. Check and demand draft.
These are the some traditional mode, check and demand draft. A check is a bank issue. Check is issued by the bank in which the money transfer from one bank account to another bank account. Check may be bounced if due to insufficient fund. Next traditional mode is demand draft. Demand draft, a bank issue a demand draft after getting cash and directly paying to another bank to pay a certain sum to the specified party.
You know what? In India, less than 60% payments are done in electronically. So we should make transactions electronically to make India more cashless society. And so we are here to with the Paytm. It is like an app. We can easily install it to go through Google, and after registration, we can also make payments through this and also transfer money to third parties. And there is a limit on Paytm. It is on 20,000. If we want to extend this limit, we have to complete the information KYC, and we can also extend these limits. Sudhanshu, thank you.
As we well known about the Indian apps, for example, the BHIM app. BHIM is offered by the National Payment Corporation of India, which offers you to transfer funds without service tax or without a transactable amount which charges by the bank. BHIM app is very useful app that's connected your smartphone to your bank account. There will be different type of transaction you can done through your bank account, like transfer of funds from one bank to another bank, transfer of funds to different wallets, different payment methods for flight booking, train booking and extra. You can also pay through BHIM app. You can also pay through the random bank accounts. There is no chargeable amount on it. You can, if you are an account of the PNB account holder, you can also transfer account from ICICI or for further banks, and random transactions are there in the BHIM app. It also provides you the facility of the request balance, KYC and other methods which can improve a distance between you and bank. You can you don't have to go to the bank regularly. You have the bank on your phone.